Hello students, how are you all? It's time for session 3 of chapter 5, My India. Do you remember what we have learnt in the last two sessions? Very good. Let's revise it. India has 8 neighbours. They are Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Nepal, Afghanistan, Pakistan. India was divided into 29 states and 7 union territories. As earlier, India had 29 states and 7 union territories. Now, India has 28 states and 8 union territories. Now, let's practice. Fill in the blanks. The dash covers most of the northern part of India. Second, most of the Thar Desert lies in the state of dash. Third, the Deccan Plateau is surrounded by the dash on both the sides. Fourth, Krishna and Kaveri rivers flow into the dash. Fifth, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands lie in the dash. So students, do you know the answers? Good. So come on, pause the video and fill in the blanks. Now it's time for me to tell you the answers so that you can compare your answers with the answers I'm telling you. The dash covers most of the northern part of India, the Himalaya. Most of the Thar Desert lies in the state of dash, Rajasthan. The Deccan Plateau is surrounded by the Ghats. Krishna and Kaveri rivers flow into the Bay of Bengal. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands lie in the Bay of Bengal. Match the following. First, Lakshadweep Islands. A. Chota Nagpur, Malwa and Deccan Plateaus. Second, Mount Everest. B. Formed by silt deposited by the Himalayan rivers. Third, Southern Plateau. C. Highest peak. Fourth, the Great Indian Desert. D. Arabian Sea. Fifth, Northern Plains. E. Thar. Now you have to match the ones written in 1, 2, 3, 4 to the information written in the alphabets. So do you know the answers? Come on, pause the video and match. So it's time for me to tell you the answers so that you can compare the answers. Lakshadweep Islands. D. Arabian Sea. Second, Mount Everest. C. Highest peak. It is the highest peak, right? Third, Southern Plateau. A. Chota Nagpur, Malwa and Deccan Plateaus. Fourth, the Great Indian Desert. E. Thar, because Thar is also known as the Great Indian Desert. Fifth, Northern Plains. B. Formed by silt deposited by the Himalayan rivers. Now it's time for the short answer type questions. First, what is the capital of India? So students, do you know what is the capital of India? Very good. The answer is New Delhi. Second, name any two neighboring states of Chhattisgarh. The answer is Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. Third, how many states and union territories are present in India? Answer is there are 28 states and 8 union territories present in India. Name any two rivers which flow across the northern plains. So the answer is Satluj and Ganga. Now the long answer type questions. Why is the southern part of India called a peninsula? Answer. The southern part of India is called a peninsula because a peninsula is an area which is surrounded by water on three sides and is attached to a piece of land on one side. Second, explain why the northern plains are suitable for growing different crops. Answer. The northern plains are suitable for growing different crops because these plains have been formed by the rich soil deposited by the Himalayan rivers. During the course of the rivers, these rivers deposit the rich and fine soil called silt. Silt makes the soil fertile and suitable for growing crops. Now the third one. Write a short note on political divisions of India. Answer. India is a big country and hence it is difficult for the government to maintain law and order in every part of the country. Therefore, the country has been divided into smaller regions called states. There are 28 states in India. The states are ruled by their respective state governments. There are 8 union territories in India and are governed by the central government. Now students, that's it for today's lesson. Hope you all have understood it well. Stay safe. Thank you.